Assalamu alaikum. I'm Raza Kharal and you are watching Raza Kharal YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe this channel before I can proceed. I will request you to. So today's topic is in fact very much relevant to us, especially in the context of Afghan war, Afghan civil war, which has amounted to civil war in fact right now. And the situation is quite tricky. Pakistan, being a frontline state or being a neighbor, the next door neighbor to Afghanistan, is bound to feel the heat quite automatically. But interestingly and pithily, Pakistan is also facing criticism from international community, especially the Western countries, who are asking Pakistan should do enough to make sure that Pakistan, the soil, is not used by anti-state elements in Afghanistan, or the people are really suffering there. So Pakistan must come forward with some solid arguments to explain to the world that these elements, whether they are in Pakistan or not, they are out of the reach of Pakistan, and Pakistan does not hold any control on Taliban, Afghan Taliban. Though Pakistan in the recent past had claimed that Pakistan enjoys good relations with, but now it is really almost out of control, since Taliban are advancing recklessly in Afghanistan and capturing cities after cities to make sure that within minimum time they occupy Kabul also. The Kabul government automatically, instead of defending its own frontiers, its own cities, is busy in or indulged in hurling accusations on Pakistan. So Pakistan must come forward, because it is really a very difficult situation, as Pakistan seems right now that it has been isolated and marginalized due to these accusations. The main accusers in this context are Afghanistan government, Afghani, and India. India is automatic that India wants to avenge of the situation which has been created by Taliban, and which has forced Indian citizens and Indian policies to shift out of Afghanistan and flee from Afghanistan. So Indian reaction seems normal or automatic. But the reaction from the US and other European countries is something which should be pondered upon, and which should be taken seriously, because because of these accusations, Pakistan cannot proceed with the relations with other countries of the world. So right now it's a duty of the Pakistani Foreign Office and the government of Pakistan to defend its cause, and make sure that Pakistani soil is not being used by anyone who creates any peacelessness in Afghanistan or any other country, especially of neighborhood. So Pakistan, on the one hand, is isolated. On the other hand, Pakistan's foreign policy makers and the government boasts of its success. So I don't know, and I do understand why Imran Khan keeps on saying that Pakistan enjoys good relations with other countries, as most of those good relations have been soured by the accusations that Pakistan, the soil, is being used for terrorism, and by the people who are strengthening Taliban in Afghanistan. So Pakistan must explain now. Pakistan's only friend these days is China, and China's relations are also not of the highest or the very best, as we have seen during the last few days, that after the incident of Dasu Dam, that many Chinese government officials have expressed concern over the state of security of the Chinese residents and Chinese citizens in Pakistan. So Pakistan must come forward with the concrete measures to ensure that Chinese investments and Chinese citizens are protected in Pakistan. Otherwise, Pakistan will not be able to sustain itself as the expenses of the government and of operations are going upward, and the income of this country is going downward. So Pakistan's government has to take care of these things. So right now they should consider consulting with the opposition parties also in regard with the situation in Afghanistan, and the measures we are needed to take to avoid any kind of isolationist or hegemonic policy by India or any other country. So if we take these measures and if we take stock of these things, definitely there are chances for us to rebuild and reconnect with the world. Otherwise, we are bound to be isolated, and this is the real truth. If we are not serious enough, definitely we are going to face the music in the coming days. Thank you.